Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on Aptkdoe HD65 True Wireless Earbuds. What's in the box? Specifications. Introduction. Features. How do I pair two headphones with my phone? Step 1. Step 2. Functions. Telephone communication. For music. Charging. Earbuds charging. Case charging. Charging alerts. FAQs. Why don't these earbuds pair with my phone? Why does the music cut in or out? Why the earbuds still won't be charged or disconnect from the phone after I put them in the case and close the lid? Are these earbuds sweat and water resistant? Troubleshootings. Warnings.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.